Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying compatibility. Look for a Thunderbolt 3 or 4 port that supports PCIe tunneling on your laptop, and confirm BIOS allows external devices. Once done, pick an eGPU enclosure that supports your chosen desktop GPU, measure clearance, and check the enclosure power supply rating. Make sure the GPU you buy matches the enclosure's power delivery and physical dimensions. You do this now because internal upgrades are usually impossible. And this is the practical, reliable pathway to add GPU. Next, install the graphics card into the enclosure. Seat the PCIe card, fasten screws, and connect any required power cables. Verify fans and thermal paste if needed. Once assembled, plug the Thunderbolt cable into the laptop's native port, avoid hubs. Power on the eGPU enclosure before you boot the laptop so the system enumerates the device correctly. Then boot the laptop. When Windows or Mac OS detects new hardware, proceed to the driver phase. These steps reduce detection issues and protect the hardware. Finally, install the latest GPU drivers from the manufacturer and update the enclosure firmware if provided. This ensures stability and performance. Once drivers are installed, configure OS settings. Choose the external GPU for specific apps or set the eGPU as the default display adapter in system preferences. If things go wrong, try a simple troubleshooting sequence. Power cycle the enclosure, reseat the GPU. Use a different Thunderbolt cable, verify Thunderbolt security settings in BIOS, and retry hot plug order. It fixes most
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.